Now, preliminary research by a Nanyang Technological University team shows that zinc oxide, a chemical commonly found in consumer products, could potentially cause cancer. Now, researchers were studying if certain materials can be harmful when they turn into nano-sized particles. That's because nanomaterials usually have very different properties when compared to materials of a larger size. Sarah Gross has the story.
The next time you use hair products or makeup, you may have to check if the ingredients contain zinc oxide. Researchers found that when this chemical is turned into nano-sized particles, it's able to enter human cells and may even damage human DNA. And when in contact with cells that lack a tumor suppressor protein, cancerous cells may develop.
This is a concern simply because of the fact that this would mean that these cells will continue to grow and proliferate to cause what we call a tumor or a cancer.
But researchers say the study is still in its early stages, so consumers should not be alarmed.
It doesn't mean that if you use a certain product that contains zinc oxide, then you can actually get cancer. This is a preliminary study on cell cultures. Next step, we still have to show that the same thing happens in animals before we can actually consider whether the same effects can be shown in humans.
But the team says the research is important because it may mean that companies have to reassess the health impact of nano-sized zinc oxide particles used in everyday products. Currently, there are no regulatory guidelines to control how nanomaterials are being used in consumer products. In the future, the research team plans to design safer nanomaterials that can be used in consumer products. They're also working with the regulatory bodies to define what the safe scope is to use nanomaterials.
And the Health Sciences Authority told Channel Newsasia that it's monitoring the use of nanomaterials in cosmetic products and will take into consideration scientific developments in this area. But it says it has not received any adverse reports related to the use of cosmetic products containing nanoparticle ingredients.